Hey everyone, it's the Plumbing Gurus. In this short video, we're going to show you guys how to fix a wobbly toilet. So Carson, what are some reasons why you want to shim a toilet?
Well, Clayton, I would say if you sit down in your toilet and you just you feel the thing rocking side to side, shim it. If you look at the toilet and it's unlevel, shim it. Okay, so here's some of the stuff we like to use for shimming a toilet. We got our shims. These ones are rubber. They make plastic ones, but they're harder to cut and harder to work with. These are nice and soft. Got my tools in my back pocket. Got my knife, X-Acto blade. Easy cut. These are just in case the nut's not a 1/2 inch. You can use pliers. Got our 1/2 inch wrench, handy, and our level. Toilet's rocking? Let's shim it. So, in a lot of other videos that we watch, that we've kind of checked out before we do our own, we kind of do our research, a lot of people will come down here, shut the water off and drain it. It might make the toilet a bit lighter and easier to move, but not really necessarily. I say just shim it. So, you know the toilet's rocking. Right now our level's sitting high on this left side, so that means the bubble's on the left side of the line, which means we're going to want to put our shims on the right side of the toilet. Let's get into it and shim this toilet. Alright, let's shim this toilet. So I'm going to loosen this nut here just to make it easier to lift this to side. So I'm going to put this shim kind of near the back, lift the toilet up, and then as we're doing this, we're just checking to make sure the level is level. And then to even it off on this side, we'll just throw another one nice and tight in there. Make sure they're tight, and then you can kind of just double check, make sure the toilet's not rocking, and then we'll tighten down this. Alright, so now we'll cut these shims. So when I cut them, I like to angle my knife kind of inside the bottom of the toilet so that you can't really visually see the shim. I guess I can't. Nice like that. And then, again, get it kind of nice and angled. So now you can't really visually see them from this side. If you're shimming the left side and you first walk in, you can see the shims. You can silicone the toilet, but we highly recommend not siliconing toilets just because you can't see when the water's coming out of the front of the toilet. Alright, now that we've shimmed this toilet, we're going to check for the rock. Solid. Check for level. Level.
Alright everyone, hope you guys all enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching right to the very end. Appreciate that. If you have any comments, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love that very much. We thank you everybody for all the support that you guys have given us. And what else we got, Carson?
Well, don't forget to check out the link below, kit.com/plumbinggurus. Lots of good stuff in there with all the little tools and materials that we like to use. Check it out.
To stay tuned to future videos on some more plumbing with the Plumbing
Gurus. And that's how you shim a toilet.